Bitcoin SV cost essentially equivalent to $35.2800 a coin, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The present exchange cost range, $35.1165 to $36.5600 in every practical sense, huge way. The earlier day close, $36.1400, extremely in opposition to mainstream thinking. The change in a real sense was 0.8600, 2.38% in an exceptionally huge way. Backwards rate, USD to BSV, or so they especially thought. Bitcoin SV value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $36.82, genuinely most extreme $39.40, kind of least $34.24. Bitcoin SV estimate on Monday, April 3, cost $36.81, especially most extreme $39.39, least $34.23, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost $35.43, extremely greatest $37.91, for the most part least $32.95 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin SV estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost $35.76, certainly greatest $38.26, essentially least $33.26 in an exceptionally significant way. In multi-week Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Thursday, April 6, cost $36.00, fundamentally most extreme $38.52. In every way that really matters, least $33.48, or so they in every practical sense thought. Bitcoin SV figure on Friday, April 7, cost $34.71, extremely greatest $37.14, really least $32.28 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost $36.58, truly most extreme $39.14, least $34.02. Bitcoin SV figure on Tuesday, April 11, cost $35.09, most extreme $37.55, by and large least $32.63, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost $36.34, sort of greatest $38.88, especially least $33.80, or so they certainly thought. In about 14 days Bitcoin SV gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost $35.11, lovely most extreme $37.57, truly least $32.65, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $35.51, most certainly greatest $38.00, sort of least $33.02 in an exceptionally large manner. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $35.38, all things considered, most extreme $37.86, least $32.90, which is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $37.31, sort of most extreme $39.92, in every practical sense, least $34.70, or so they sort of thought. Bitcoin SV figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $37.47, genuinely most extreme $40.09, exceptionally least $34.85, which is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost $35.34, sort of most extreme $37.81, by and large least $32.87 amazingly. Bitcoin SV gauge on Friday, April 21, cost $36.23, for the most part greatest $38.77, sort of least $33.69 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $37.30, by and large most extreme $39.91, really least $34.69, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $39.73, genuinely most extreme $42.51, really least $36.95, which is very huge. Bitcoin SV cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $39.03, especially most extreme $41.76, fundamentally least $36.30 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Bitcoin SV estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost $39.24, kind of most extreme $41.99, fundamentally least $36.49, which really is very critical. Bitcoin SV cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $36.49, truly greatest $39.04, in every practical sense, least $33.94, which in a real sense is very huge. Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost $34.69, extremely greatest $37.12, really least $32.26, so Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost $35.09, for the most part greatest $37.55, beautiful least $32.63 in an unobtrusive way. USD to BSV swapping scale kind of equivalent to 0.0283 coins per $1 in an especially enormous manner. Today, S reach 0.0274 minus 0.0285, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The past day, S nearby 0.0277 in a very significant way. Change for now plus 0.0006, plus 2.17% in an unobtrusive way. USD to BSV cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a sort of significant manner. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Friday. Walk 31, cost 0.027 coins. Beautiful most extreme 0.029, lovely least 0.025, showing that Bitcoin SV figure on Monday, April 3, cost $36.81, really greatest $39.39, by and large least $34.23, which sort of is very critical. USD to BSV expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 0.027 coins, truly greatest 0.029, really least 0.025 in a by and large enormous manner. Dollar to Bitcoin SV estimate on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.028 coins, greatest 0.030, sort of least 0.026, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. USD to BSV forecast on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.028 coins, greatest 0.030, really least 0.026, or so they most certainly thought. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.028 coins, sort of greatest 0.030, genuinely least 0.026, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. USD to BSV expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.029 coins, truly most extreme 0.031, sort of least 0.027 in a very huge manner. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 0.027 coins, especially greatest 0.029, least 0.026, which essentially shows that dollar to Bitcoin SV figure on Monday, April 10, cost 0.027 coins, especially most extreme 0.029, exceptionally least 0.026, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to BSV expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.028 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 0.031, for the most part least 0.027, showing that dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.028 coins, most extreme 0.030, kind of least 0.026 in every practical sense, large way. Dollar to Bitcoin SV conjecture on Wednesday, April 12,